or the idea that you deserve it. I think that it's an important role for schools and for teachers, not only to focus on the content of what they want to teach, but also these kinds of socializing or being a citizen or being someone who contributes to the society and to the well-being of others. And I think a classroom is a really good environment to practice that in a safe space where you can make mistakes or where you can say something wrong. Yeah, so this is something that teachers could really contribute to, especially in lessons where students are also really trying to find their identity, like who they are, who they want to be, where they want to go, what's something for them and what's not. So it would be really nice if teachers have the opportunity to design their classes in such a way that students can also relate the content to those questions.